welcome to your Monday motivation to get outside. This is Andrea from Loewenwood Forest Homeschool. Welcome. We are striving to get our kids outside for 1,000 hours for 2019. We are homeschooling our 5 kids, and today's Monday motivation is going to be a lot of fun. I'm really excited about it. I have seen this image floating around on my Facebook feed quite a few times, and so I'm going to try and find it. I'm going to try the person who originally posted it, maybe a website, and I'll insert that right here. So you can see it is basically a giant cake made out of snow. I mean, if you know my Evelyn, you know that she loves baking and pretending to bake, and this is right up her alley. So we are going to make a giant snow cake for the deer or the squirrels or whoever else wants to eat it. Our neighbor does feed deer, so they do come through the property quite often. So we'll see if I can also get some shots of some deer eating our cake. That would be fantastic. Anyway, let's get to building. Hey girls, guess what we're doing today? What? We're building a giant cake for the deer. You want to come help? Yeah, we're going to build it in the backyard. Come on. Evelyn, we're going to build a giant cake. What do you think? And then me and Jackson are going to have a snowball fight. Oh, you have a snowball fight after?
No. After that, we'll make a snowman.
Oh, okay, snowman, snowball fight. These are all good. And while we build, this little lady's already asleep. Okay, so we've decided right here is where we're going to build the cake. We're going to pile up a lot of snow. Got our tools for working.
Afterwards, build 2 snowmans, okay?
Okay, and afterwards we'll build 2 snowmen. And what do you have here? We've got some carrots to decorate our cake with, as well as make snowmen. And of course our bucket of seed, which if you've seen before, the squirrels, they made a hole in there. Yeah, they like to. There you go.
It's on that side.
Okay, but first we got to make the cake, okay, Brooklyn?
Yeah. Well, we already started making cakes.
Whoa, we don't start decorating yet. Oh man, it looks like a snowman that has been crushed. All right, let's pile up the snow first, then we'll decorate. Okay, so we've got 2 tiers happening. We've got the 1 tier on the bottom, 2nd tier to our cake on the top. Evelyn, stand up. Is it as tall as you? No, I don't think we're going to get it as tall as Evelyn. Unless we dig out the ground. Go stand on the other side. It's deeper over there. Evelyn, go behind the cake. Oh, we're getting closer to as tall as Evelyn.
Why don't you stand
So we're going to put another tier on the top, right guys? We're going to put a little snow right here, yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
I'm just doing some fishing.
And you already started decorating.
The deer don't eat sticks.
Yeah, the deer don't eat sticks. Are you trying to make it into a birthday cake?
Yeah, like into a candle.
Okay. Ooh. All right, yeah. You gotta... All right, try and put in those carrots. And Evelyn, where's the bucket for the bird seed? Can you get a scoop of bird seed and pour it on our cake? No, you want to do carrots? Okay, do carrots.
Fine, I'll just do it.
Okay, you do bird seed.
I'm doing candles. We don't have enough carrots, it looks like. Got bird seed. Got bird seed. Do you want them on top or on the
Well, where do you think it should go? I think it should go around the edges. Oh, it looks like Carolyn already got some. I think it should go around the edges of our cake. What do you think?
I want it to be on the top.
Yeah, definitely on the top.
But I don't want the stick to be on the top.
Oh, Jackson, can you take off some of the sticks?
I want all of them.
No! Not all of them. Maybe just leave a couple.
Just those. Just those. Evelyn, you're stepping on the carrots. Sorry. Perfect. Ew.
Perfect. Where else should we put the seeds?
Ugh.
Yes. Oh, perfect. I
wanna
love
touch
it.
I'm done with the carrots.
Yeah, you want to do carrots now, Evelyn? You want to do seed now, Brooklyn?
I'm grabbing more bird seed.
So let's sprinkle some around it, like that, because that'll make it look more considerate.
Mm-hmm.
Got 3 more clips. Let's just go with the bottom row.
Jackson just Save one for them to make a snowman.
Okay, yeah, save one for snow. No, the other way, Jackson. Jackson, that one's upside down compared to the others. Yeah, flip it around. There you go. Put it in.
You don't have enough carrots to go around.
I love it.
We have to.
There's one apple carrot.
Oh, the kids and I worked really hard on this cake. I'm so excited. I think it looks really fantastic. It actually looks really similar to the internet cake that I saw. Oh, and I'm so hot I take off my hat. It's only -2 Celsius today, so it's creeping up. But that's also why we were able to make it, because the snow is that perfect density where it's just sticky enough to create things. And look what the kids did. All on their own, they came up with the idea to make a snowman and they made it happen. And look, it's as tall as Evelyn! Perfect, Evelyn. So of course we have a carrot for nose, we have a hockey puck for eyes, we found a pine cone for the mouth, just extra hat and mitts and scarf, and of course sticks for the arms. What do you think, Carolyn?
She likes it.
I like it. What do you think, Evelyn?
You're showing the buttons.
It doesn't.
Oh, Carolyn. Oh, okay, we'll fix it, Evelyn. All right, we got a snowman with a tiny nose because Carolyn is eating it. So in essence, this snowman is the power of Motivational Monday. You have an idea that gets you outside that you're excited about, and then, you know, your imagination just goes from there. The kids saw the carrot and they said, whoa, wait, we want to build a snowman. So we did build the cake, but then we also made this awesome snowman. And this is the first snowman we've built this year because it's been so cold. Our snow has basically been powder. So I'm so excited that we now have a snowman in our yard. What do you think of the snowman and the cake, Brooklyn?
Good.
Are you happy we built them?
Yeah, and the snow's really tasty.
I want to make it.
Were they fun to build? Which one was more fun, the snowman or the cake?
Snowman.
The snowman? But you liked my cake idea, right?
Yes.
Oh, okay, good.
I want big legs.
Oh, you're gonna build some legs. Go for it. And guess who just woke up? Hello, little sweetie. Hello. So of course, I'm putting these Motivational Mondays together so that you can click through them all if you want some ideas. I'll link that collection of videos down below, as well as we're hoping to start a Pinterest page. So when we do, we'll put that down below as well. In the meantime, you can catch us on Instagram and of course on Facebook. Yes, and we'd love to see you over there too. So make sure you click a like if you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share it with your friends, and we'll see you next time in the forest. Bye, friends.